Lately, I've been feeling stuck in life, like I'm trying to move forward, but something's holding me back. I want to be someone important, but my circumstances are just too difficult. It's frustrating, you know?
I totally get that. It's a tough spot to be in, feeling like you're stuck but knowing you want to go somewhere. But here's the thing. Have you considered that maybe the reason you're stuck is because you're not fully utilizing the resources and conditions you already have?
That's interesting. So, you're saying it's about making the most of what I have right now, even if I'm not in the perfect position?
Exactly. The law of grand nature, or Jungbub as it's called, suggests that heaven gives us everything we need: talents, opportunities, the right conditions. But if we don't make the effort to use them properly, we'll stay stuck in the same place. If you want to break free from your difficulties, you need to put in the effort. But it's not just any effort. It's about making the right effort, even if it feels like small things at first.
So, like, doing the small tasks that might seem insignificant, even if it's not what I expected for myself?
Exactly. For instance, if you see garbage on the street, you pick it up. Not because someone told you to, but because it's the right thing to do in that moment. That's the kind of humility and effort that matters. It's about doing what's needed without expecting anything in return. Eventually, when your efforts are seen, you'll start receiving help from others, but you have to make that first step on your own.
Hmm, it sounds like a shift in mindset. I guess I always thought that big rewards should come with big actions right away, but it's more about consistency and humility?
That's exactly it. Think about it like this. Imagine you've worked hard, studied, and now you're in a position where you don't need to pick up garbage anymore. If you see someone else doing it, you shouldn't take over. Let them learn from their experience. You don't need to keep doing low-level tasks just because you're capable. If you cling to that, you'll be stuck there forever. It's about knowing when to move on and focus on more meaningful tasks.
I see. So it's about recognizing your worth, but also knowing when to step back and let others handle things that are part of their journey, not yours.
Exactly. Heaven won't send someone to help you if you're still stuck in tasks that don't serve your growth. If you keep taking over tasks that aren't meant for you, you're blocking someone else's path. Once you've learned, you move on and trust that the right person will step up when the time is right.
That makes sense. It's kind of humbling, though, to realize that if you're always clinging to the small things, you might be preventing growth for both yourself and others. I guess it's really about knowing your role and when to step back.
Exactly. It's the law of grand nature at work. It's about making the right effort, being humble, and knowing that if you stay true to your path, things will fall into place. And when you need help, you'll find the right person who'll be there to guide you.
So, what you're saying is, even when things feel impossible, I just have to keep making the right effort and let go of my expectations?
Yes, the key is consistency in the right effort. When you accept that your struggles are a result of your own choices and you commit to doing the work humbly, you'll eventually find your way out of difficulty. And when the time is right, others will come to help you, because heaven sees your effort.
It's all about trusting the process and staying true to the work, even if it doesn't feel like it's paying off right away.
Exactly. Trust the process, stay humble, and let the universe work its way. When you're ready, everything will align. It's the law of grand nature.